at the restaurant. Last night I went to a new restaurant with my family. The restaurant is in the city center. It's a very popular place. When we arrived, the waiter welcomed us and showed us our table. The restaurant was decorated beautiful with warm lights. We looked at the menu for a few minutes. I ordered a grilled chicken, salad, and a glass of lemonade. My father ordered a big steak and my mother chose vegetable soup. The food arrived after 20 minutes. Everything was very delicious and fresh. The waiter was very polite and helpful. After the main course, we ordered dessert. We ate chocolate cake and drank Turkish tea. The bill was not very expensive. We were very happy with the service and the food. We want to go back there again for my mother's birthday next month.